I can start sitting next to the wing again. If you get electric engines, right?
That's right.
You won't be like a Tesla. You won't even hear it.
Yep. True. Let's check in with Cheetah right now. Cheetah, you are looking at the radar. What's going on?
I know. Well, thankfully, we're not talking about strong storms like what we had last night, but we are talking about a few light showers. And that lingering activity is still going to keep any of those puddles or a few high water spots if you still have a few in your neighborhood from last night. And it's not going to help us really evaporate any of that water. Now, over the course of the next day, so the next 24 hours, we're not going to see nearly the amount of rainfall that we did see yesterday. But because of how saturated we are, we do have to keep the rain chances in place. Right now, Matagorda, Brazoria County, most of the showers, though, going to then head on into southern Harris County. And throughout the day today, these rain chances remain in place. Take a look here. Between about 10 right through your lunchtime hour, we still keep that rain chance into scattered activity. And then as we head into your afternoon hours, they still remain in place. Overnight tonight, about what we saw overnight into this morning, they remain low, but still a stray shower will be possible. And then this begins to increase actually for your Thursday afternoon. We could even see a few thunderstorms return by tomorrow afternoon, and temperatures are on the rise. So I know this is going to be a wet, kind of overcast end to February, and then it's going to be a very cold start to March. Across the area, we're dealing with dense fog, so visibilities at both airports less than about a quarter of a mile down to a half mile in Galveston, Pearland this morning, Conroe. So again, it doesn't matter if you're traveling north or south, east or west, this is what you're going to be dealing with. Live look outside in the Woodlands this morning. Notice how thick the fog is, and in most neighborhoods, that's what you're starting off with. So allow some extra time if you can for your morning commute. Similar, this is typically a live shot out of the Galleria that kind of gives a glimpse of the skyline over downtown. Not today. That's all thanks to the fog. Now 50s and 60s. So we're starting off mild. We're really saturated, so humidity is high. By the afternoon, temperatures will be topping out in the mid to upper 70s. That's our trend through the afternoon hours. So really warm by the afternoon. We continue that for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday until our next cold front arrives out of the West Coast. That'll take us from 70s, a few low 80s, down to the 30s and 40s, Steph.
All right, well, Cheetah, because it's so foggy,